Hey everyone, it's Magical Mom Laura. Join me today as I take my daughter by myself from the Grand Floridian resort. We check out, take the monorail over, grab a bus to Coronado Springs to check in there for 2 nights, and I'll give you step by step how it works and my thoughts on doing a split stay. Good morning everyone. I just woke up. Phil left for his flight to LA at I think it was 6 a.m. I sort of woke up when he was leaving and said goodbye to him. Went back to sleep, and Lana and I slept in until 9. She's waking up kind of right now, so I have to get this room packed up, call bell services, and then they said that the luggage will most likely be there between 3 and 6. My sister Carrie, her daughter, is going to meet us at the Coronado, and we're going to have pool day there, enjoy the resort. They're going to stay with us tonight. And then Lana and I will probably go to Animal Kingdom tomorrow. They're gonna head back home. They're just over an hour away. So this is my second split stay. The first one I did not like. This one, my husband had to go to a work trip, and I was like, you know what? Let's stay 3 more nights. Let's not stay in a $500 a night hotel. This was only $180 a night for 2 nights. So we're going to Coronado. We've stayed there once during COVID in the tower. So this is not the tower, this is the other rooms. I stayed there once with my mom 20 years ago or something, so I'm excited. I'm very sad to leave this room, but let's have a split stay and go to Coronado. Alright, Bluey's on the TV. This is stuff we don't need in the next 2 days. This I have to make happen, I'm not sure how. This is why I hate... Shoes are on. This bathing suits are going on. This is why I hate split stays. Like, had everything organized, and I have to pack everything up and get it organized again at the next place. All by myself. Not a fan. Alright, we did it. Couldn't zip it up. Don't know if this is gonna work for the ride home, but let's do this. Nope. So I'm gonna take the Loungefly out. Won't even shut. I have to take out my makeup bag and Loungefly. We have 2 bags and a car seat ready to go. Yeah, I have 2 bags and a car seat that I want to have transferred over to Coronado. Okay, Bellman's going to be here soon, and they said should be there by 6. And when I get to my room in Coronado to call them, I don't know if you can see this, but I just got this email. Save up to 35%. 1/7. Oh, next year. That's interesting. Okay, I'm going to leave 20 for the hotel and tip the guy $5. I'm going to miss this room. It's so gorgeous. I want to stay here again. So it is 1:15. As soon as the bell services comes here, then we're gonna head down. I'm gonna take the monorail over, grab a Coronado bus. My sister's getting here like 11:30, so we'll just meet her at Coronado. Hope our room was ready, like this room was ready so early. It's gonna be annoying to take a Loungefly, a bag, a stroller, and a 5-year-old on a bus, but at least I'm not taking that. Last time I did a pink bag on a Skylater. Alright, headed out soon. I'm ready for pool day. One really nice thing is that we have a special car, private car, taking us from Coronado to the airport on our last day. So that's going to cut back a lot on me having to do all this by myself. Do you remember the days when you could have bell services check your bags in at the resort and then you would just see them at your destination? Bring that back, Disney. Bring that back. Goodbye, monorail view.
Did you lose your mom? She's still there? She's still there. I tried.
It's a wild ride.
All right, now we're going to lose you. Now we're going to lose you.
I gotcha. I'm holding her. Ah! We're going to the monorail. We have to go all the way across the front of Magic Kingdom. That was good timing. She was waiting for us. There's a hatch open on the side of the bus, she said. So we're on the side of the road. And KK is pulling into the resort right now. It's perfect timing. Yeah. We're gonna meet her at the pool, okay? Although it looks dark. Lana, this is our resort. Coronado? Casita? Oh, I hear thunder. We gotta find the main pool. Aunt KK should be there. Landon, are you okay, baby?
I'm fine.
Are you breathing?
Yeah, I can breathe.
All right, again, hate split states. The first stop was bus stop 2 and you entered in Casita 4. And now I hear thunder, which isn't good. Last time we stayed, we were in the tower. And that's Villa del Lago. We didn't eat there last time. I think it's called 3 Bridges or something. And then the Maya Grill just opened. So this is in the 3 Bridges, the Villa del Lago. Yes. Oh my gosh, that sounds so good. Do they have food? Poke bowl.
Mama.
Yeah, babe. Churros. Salad. Ooh, that sounds good for me. Smoked Greek feta salad. Oh, honey, don't drop everything. It's open from 4:30 to midnight. Casual dining, Latin, Spanish, American cuisine. A storm ended up rolling in, which moved our pool day back, so we went in to get something to eat at their quick service, and it was lunchtime, and there was a Girl Scout convention. It was ridiculous in there. The line was so long. We got some pizza. I got a little chorizo bowl with no chorizo and some chips before the pool. Will you buy this for me? $65, but that's quality. Feel it. Feel it.
That's quality. Is
that,
Disney sponsor for the whole set?
No, Carrie. The whole set's gonna set you back $130.
That's cute too.
120.
Yeah.
This must be a shirt.
No, I'm talking about this one. I think this is cute.
Yeah, I like that sleeve. Is it nice?
So good.
Look at the water coming down. That's so nice. So the pool just reopened.
It's already hot.
Is it?
Florida for you.
Oh, really? There's a siesta cantina tea.
I think we need some bars.
I think we do. Into the edge. Good job. Yay. They have a really nice 3'4", it's big, hot tub. I'm gonna go down this side. See the steps? Look, there's a, it's like a, is that a cheetah or a tiger?
That's it. That's a cheetah.
Oh, a jaguar. Woohoo! I don't understand why there are like stairs everywhere. How do you get your stroller up? We're gonna go to find the elevator and go to the 3rd floor, 7793.
Okay.
This is pretty, isn't it? Oh my gosh, we found the elevator. Okay, can you hit the button? It's a big pool. All right, 7793. Wow, it's a hike. All right. Ooh, it says welcome Laws family. This is very nice.
I like it.
Yeah?
Looks like they have bathroom.
Does it have a bathroom?
It has 2 beds.
2 beds.
It has only a bathtub.
That's what we want. We'll take a nice bath.
Only a bathtub.
Nice. All right.
Mama, I
Yeah.
need a bath.
Okay. Let me get your stroller. Look who it is, Landon. Who's in the picture? That 3 caballeros. We have 2 queen beds with storage underneath. Not lots of lights, USB plugs, reading lights. the Bible. That's a huge safe. Oh, it's shallow. A safe. So I actually have a bathtub. That's very nice. And this. Alright, I'll run this for you. Kohler toilette. Lots of towels. We have mouthwash, lotion, vanity, soap. This little guy. Beautiful doors that close for privacy. Extra pillows and blankets. Love a luggage rack. It just came to my attention. A lot of people don't know the luggage rack is. A wonderful steamer. Really? Oh, a full? Whoa. Full ironing board. I like the color of this wood. And the matte black. 2 sinks. 2 sinks and a makeup mirror. Alright, can I come out? Lots of drawers, Landon. Lots of drawers. Yeah, the bath's running.
Is it warm?
Yeah, lots of outlets. I need to call for them to bring up our luggage. The fridge. Oh, nice Keurig. With Joffrey's. Love it. Love it. Lots of storage. This is a big room. I'm happy with it. Oh, it's more Panchito. 3 Caballeros. Alright, I'm going to call and get our luggage sent up. We got our room. Just got out of the pool. It is very far away from the elevator. The room is very nice, but I just called down at 4:30 to see if our luggage was here, and it's not here from the Grand. So annoying. So sadly, my sister was not feeling good today. She thought she'd feel better, so she came anyways, and then she just progressively got worse and was not feeling good, so she had to leave around 4. So we came to our room to get settled, hope we'd have our luggage, but not here. So I'm not sure what we're gonna do tonight. Maybe just relax, go get some dinner somewhere here at Coronado. Hopefully it wasn't like lunch. The Girl Scout convention was here and it was absolutely crazy. So we're gonna take baths, showers, and we'll go from there. Landon took a bath, I took a shower, and I realized I have no bra, no undies. But anyways, I called at 5:20. They do have the luggage, and then it can be another 10 minutes to an hour to get the luggage here. As soon as the luggage gets here, I'll get a little organized, get us dressed, and go get something to eat. And yeah, I have to answer the door in no bra and white shorts with no undies. We need to get dinner first. We're gonna go to the 3. It's very hot out. I'm just gonna pull my hair back. Not the 3 Caballeros, the 3 Rivers, whatever. There's like a wait list that said 10 minutes, so I'm gonna put us on it and walk down there. Come here, cutie.
Mama, my key card.
From what?
I don't know.
Or Daddy hit you? You have like a little bit of a black eye. Daddy hit Landon in the cheek with her Yeti. Good thing it happened after Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique, because that would have been bad. Anyways, I love sangria. So they have homemade sangria flakes. So I really need that. They have guacamole, Greek salad. I'm excited to try it all. So the luggage actually came very quickly. I think it was like 15 minutes. So it wasn't as big of a deal. I just want you to know, I hate it. We spent 3 hours at the pool. I think the only way to do it is if you want to pack up, go to the park, and then come back. So you're gone like 5 hours. No, it'd be like 7 hours. That's what we're gonna eat tonight. So pretty. Hopefully it don't get rained on. Nana. They have pork tacos and a hamburger for you. Does any of that sound good? Tell, honey.
I took joy. I went for the senses.
You did what? No, it doesn't, Landon. All right, Landon, yours looks good, baby.
People.
Amy got ketchup, and then Mommy got a taste of sangria. Look at this thing. We don't have have enough room on the table. Such a wonderful dinner guest. Such a wonderful dinner companion. Look at that sky. We went and had dinner right at the right time. Let's get back quickly. The Girl Scouts of America are everywhere. And more stairs. It's ridiculous. The only way to enter this building is from the parking lot without steps. Good job. It looks good. Lana picked a funfetti cupcake for her dessert. Okay. Right here, it's perfect spot.
It is perfect. I'm sitting. I'm gonna eat it right now.
I got a bed rail for her. That officially concludes our split stay. Again, not a fan. You know what I am a fan of? That whatever that Three Bridges restaurant was. The big negative was there weren't very many servers. I don't know if it was a bad night with all the Girl Scouts convention. It was a lot. Excuse me, I'm getting a little sick, I think. But I got the sangria flight. The sangria was really good. I wish I just gotten a glass of the red. It was a lot of sangria. I liked all of them except for the third one. I'm not sure which one that was. Guacamole was very good. Landon, you really enjoyed your dinner, didn't you? You ate all of it. Guac, burger. She didn't eat the fries, but ate the strawberries. Oh, my Greek salad with the smoked feta, which I've never had before, and I absolutely love Greek salads. So good. So if you are in this area, if you stay at Coronado, you definitely need to go to that restaurant. It was really good. And we're checking out the other one, I think, tomorrow night if we're up for it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know, do you like split stairs? My second time, I don't think I'm doing it again. But tomorrow's Animal Kingdom Day, so we'll see you then. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.